I have decided to do some moto vlogging, and that's why I have ordered myself an action cam. Funny enough, the camera is coming to me from a Chinese city called Chongshan, and I used to live in that city for about a year. Let's open up the package and see how Insta360 packed my goods and what kind of service they provide. As you can see, the box is packed really well, and here immediately we are getting some bubble wrap for secure transportation. Inside the box I have got more boxes which contain the products I have ordered. So let's start with the action cam itself. Then I have got motorcycle mounting kit, microphone adapter, and this is an extra battery which I have received as a gift for using one of the referral links from one of the YouTube reviews. I don't actually remember which exactly YouTube review I have used to get this free battery base, but anyway, I'm thanking that YouTuber who made this review and provided the link. Let's start with the camera itself and see what I have got inside. This is supposed to be the twin edition where I have regular 4K length as well as 360 lens. So, the box itself seems to be completely undamaged, brand new in plastic, and it also feels pretty nice. Here it goes, brand new Insta360 One RS with the twin edition packaging, where we have this base module. It seems to be detached right now from the length, but now it's connected. This is the 4K length, which is acting like a standard 4K action cam. And then additionally, here comes a 360 length, which is recording full 360 video from all possible directions. This one is the battery base module, which is supposed to get connected like this, I think. Yep, very easy, clicked, and here it goes. So this is pretty much like a GoPro size. Here I can see that this protection screen was not fully applied, but that might be me taking it somehow off, but the screen is not damaged, so that's all good. So the first thing is a USB Type-C cable. Yep. Then what else? Some moist protection. Here comes some extra manuals and a cloth for cleaning up the length, as well as stickers. So in this bag, some extra accessories, which are rather important. So this one is to protect the 360 length. I think it's supposed to hop on like this. Yes, for the protection reasons, to keep your length out of any scratches when you transport it in a bag or something. And what do I have in here? Okay, so this is a thumb screw to mount this one. This is supposed to be the case where I install the camera, I think so. And what does this one say? Always use the bracket to secure the camera mods. The bracket also helps dissipate heat when recording for a long time. I see. I'm not quite sure how the bracket would help to dissipate the heat because it is not made of aluminum. It's rather plastic, but it feels of okay quality, if not premium quality. And I think it's supposed to open like this. Yep, camera goes in and it clicks back. So this thumb screw is used to mount it on your helmet or on your motorcycle, something like that. Basically the GoPro mounting, and you can do with it whatever. So that's nice. Now let's take a look at the motorcycle mounting bundle. It's supposed to have everything I need to mount my Insta360 on top of a motorcycle. A README or a manual motorcycle mounting bundle. Here is what we're supposed to have in here, and let's take each part one at a time and see. So this small one is an extension bar, and much to my surprise, this extension bar is made from aluminum, so it's supposed to be very strong and rigid, and it's not plastic. When I was buying it, I actually thought that this will be plastic, and I was not sure if it's a good idea to buy this bundle or no, but this is aluminum, so I'm pleasantly surprised. This one is a clamp to install on a motorcycle or a bicycle bar. Unfortunately, it's not full 360 cover, but I think it shall be good enough. Seems to be pretty strong and pretty rigid, so I do not expect any problems with it. Also, it has some rubber paddings over here, so you don't need to worry about damaging your motorcycle bar or bicycle bar or whatever you decide to use to mount your action cam. Here we have the standard RAM mounting ball, so you can extend it with any standard mounts that you could buy aftermarket. The next thing is the RAM mount itself, or it's technically not a RAM mount, but RAM mount-like thingy. Here we are getting this screw to install the camera itself, and this one is supposed to be connected to the motorcycle. Again, the quality seems to be very nice, and I like this spring that it holds this thingy and it's not falling out. And I do not expect to have any issues with this. And again, I'm pleasantly surprised because I thought that only GoPros can produce premium quality accessories, and that's why they cost this much. With Insta360, you get this bundle for a little over 50 euros, I think. I will check it again. And you have lots of value in this motorcycle mounting bundle. The last bag contains some extra goodies. Here we have this kind of screw, or what it is, I'm not even sure. Then we have some adhesive to stick your camera to your helmet or any other surface. What do we have here? Yeah, this one also goes to the helmet through one of these adhesive units, and this is the same as the GoPro, so you can click in your GoPro or you can click in your Insta360. One more, so you have two of these slightly curved ones. Thumb screw, connector, extra thumb screw. This is the clip which is supposed to clip in here. Yep. And what is nice with the GoPro clips is that they have a rubber pad over here, and you need to pull this rubber pad off to be able to squeeze it and take it out. With this one, we do not have that thing, but at least we have some sort of a protection. Seems to be pretty okay quality, but as you expected, it's plastic. One more thumb screw, and one more thumb screw, one more connector, one more clip, one more extra clip, and one more, and one more. So, all in all, what I see here is that we have got 4 of these clips, 2 of these mounting bases, which are supposed to be sticked onto the helmet using adhesive. They are slightly curved. And we have 4 thumb screws and 4 of these mounting thingies. I'm not quite sure how do I suppose to use all of these and what is this one for, but I bet I will figure it out. And last 2 bits to validate is the Insta360 microphone adapter. Let's open it up. It's not sealed, so I can just open it. I really don't want to break the box, but it's very hard to open it without breaking it. Okay, now it opens. So here comes the microphone adapter. Also, this is another thing why I have picked Insta360 instead of GoPro, because of the microphone adapter. First, GoPro microphone adapter costs a lot, and second, it is huge and hideous. How do I open this box now? Why do I have to have so many boxes inside boxes? Okay, like this. So mic adapter, some manual for it. And here comes the mic adapter itself. You see how tiny this thing is. Compared to the GoPro adapter, this is just so much nicer. And even though it is so tiny, we're still getting everything we need. In particular, this USB Type-C gets transformed into another USB Type-C where you can put power, and your microphone. Again, compared to the GoPro microphone adapter, this is just so much better. And the extra battery base, which you can buy separately, and probably you could assemble your own bundle of an Insta360 with this one, but I have got it as a gift. So again, box inside the box. Let me pull this one out. Here it goes. Oh, this one doesn't have this side covered. So this is just another battery base, thus I can have 2 batteries and 2 bases, and when one is out I can just flip for another one. Very nice addition. I think this one alone costs about 35 euros, so by using one of the referral links from the Insta360 reviews, I got this one for free, which makes it like a really nice bonus. That's all I have got, and what I can say is that so far I'm very happy with Insta360 quality, at least how it feels. Sure, I need to test how it works and what kind of videos it records, but so far I'm very happy with the delivery, I'm very happy with Insta360 service. I had some issues with invoicing because I needed it to be on my company name. They have resolved everything for me, and I have got this battery base for free. The motorcycle mounting bundle is also lots of value for your money, thus I'm feeling very itchy to start recording and mount it onto my helmet, onto my motorcycle, and see what I can get from it. If you're looking for an action camera, I strongly recommend you to watch multiple different YouTube reviews about GoPro 8, GoPro 10, GoPro 9, and sure, Insta360. Pick the one which is best for you, and I hope you will enjoy your videos and your vlogging.